Journalists from Television Jamaica walked away with 13 of the 20 awards at the Press Association of Jamaica's awards show Saturday night. That includes the top prize of Journalist of the Year.
It was a glitzy affair at the Spanish Court Hotel in Kingston. Television Jamaica copped 13 awards, bringing the RJR Gleaner Group's overall total to 16. Brian Lewis, Ivan Shaw, and Kamar Taylor won the award for Best Feature Story. The Gleaner's Corey Robinson copped the print version. Radio Jamaica's Deidre Gordon won the Best Radio Documentary for Tears of Sadness, Not Joy. Dion Jackson Miller and the Orlangas team won Best Television Documentary and Best Climate Change Report for Hotter Than Hot Climate Departure in Kingston. The TVJ newsroom won Best Breaking News for its coverage of Vybz Kartel, The Timeline to Freedom. The award for agriculture reporting was won by Camille Barrett. And for technology, Ramar Lyons. His piece was entitled Dead Zone. For the photography categories, Naftali Jr. and Garfield Robinson of the Jamaica Observer also won for sport and human interest respectively. The Gleaner's Ashley Angwin won the News Photography Award. In the prestige categories, Jerome Foster won for sports journalism. The Jamaica Observer's Ruddy Allen won the award in the print category. The Hector Bernard Theodore Celia Award for newsprint category was retained by the Gleaner's Jovan Johnson. CVM TV's Roman Gordon was awarded Young Journalist of the Year. TVJ's Shamala Pullen won the President's Award for Investigative Journalism for her documentary, Life Interrupted, The Cancer Epidemic in Jamaica. Television Jamaica's Giovanni Dennis was awarded the Journalist of the Year.
Judges said an impressive body of work was presented, touching on issues of public safety and health. The reporter showed an understanding of issues that are of national interest or having the potential to be.
This is his second time winning the award. He also won the award for Best Report on Health and Wellness for the piece Here Today, Gone Tomorrow, Noise Pollution in Jamaica, as well as the award for News, Business and Finance Journalism. Other winners on the night included Nigel Austin of Nationwide News, Cheryl Johnson Hamilton of the Jamaica Information Service, and Khalilo Reynolds and Team Money Media. Rashida Walker for TVJ News.